Hello everyone. So we are live now and I
Hi.
hope you all are ready and prepared enough to rock this competition, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll start. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ishika Bhatt and I am here representing Rights Companion. Rights Companion is a platform which provides young minds to cherish themselves and to enhance their skills and build their confidence with through various activities. And this activity is one of them. And so I would like to welcome you all in this beautiful evening. And I'm your host for the today's event, that is Great Little Kahani Bars. So you all are ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So okay. So let's start with your introduction. जल्दी से आप लोग सब अपना अपना एक एक करके इंट्रोडक्शन मुझे देंगे. So let's start with Ranjeet.
Hi, friends. My name is Ranjit from Hyderabad.
School class.
I am studying third Astra. Today, I like to say one story.
So next Yuvansh, give your introduction.
My name is Shivansh Gupta. I live in Palyakala, Khiri. I study in class third.
Okay, great. So now Rudra, your mic is mute. Now start. Rudra, again your mic is mute.
Good evening. My name is Rudri Joshi. I am from Tanakpur, Uttarakhand. My school name is St. Francis Senior Secondary School. Today, I am here to recite a story. The title of my story is Elephant and Friends.
Thank you Rudra. थोड़ी देर में स्टोरी सुनाएंगे. So you all are prepared? Okay, so let's start with the story. So who is going to recite the story first? Ranjeet, shall we start with you?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, Ranjeet, good luck.
today my activity is storytelling. Once upon a time, a lone elephant in the forest made friends. Asked a monkey, "Hello, monkey. Would you like to be my friend?" The monkey said, "You are too big to swing like me. So I can't be your friend." Then the elephant went to the rabbit and asked the same question. The rabbit said, "You are too big to fit in my burrow." Then the elephant also went to a frog and asked the same question. The frog replied, "You are too big, you are too heavy to jump as high as me. So I can't be your friend." The elephant was really sad because she could not make friends. One day she saw all the animals are running from lion. Lion. The elephant went up to the lion and said, "Please don't hurt these animals." animals. Then the lion coughed and asked the elephant to move aside. Then the elephant got angry and pushed the lion with all her might, injuring him. All the animals and other animals came up slowly and started to rejoice about lion's defeat. All the animals went to the elephant and said, "You are just the right size to be our friend." The moral of the story is true friends are rare to find. Thank you. Thank you.
Amazing, Ranjit. It was a great story. Thank you. So now we'll start with Yuvansh. Yuvansh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. Good luck.
आज मैं आपको एक मुर्गे की कहानी सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक समय की बात है, एक गांव में ढेर सारे मुर्गे रहते थे। गांव के बच्चों ने किसी एक मुर्गे को तंग कर दिया। मुर्गा परेशान हो गया। उसने सोचा अगले दिन सुबह मैं आवाज नहीं करूंगा, सब लोग सोते रहेंगे और मेरी अहमियत सबको समझ में आएगी और मुझे तंग नहीं करेंगे। मुर्गा अगले दिन सुबह कुछ नहीं बोला। सब लोग समय पर उठकर अपने अपने काम में लग गए। इस पर मुर्गे को समझ में आ गया कि किसी के बिना किसी का काम नहीं रुकता, सबका काम चलता रहता है। हमें इस कहानी से यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए। आपकी अहमियत लोगों को बिना बताए पता चलती है। थैंक यू।
Very good, Yuvansh. So now, Rudra, start with your story. Good luck. Your mic is mute. Rudra, unmute your mic.
My story name.
The title of my story is Elephant and Friends. So let's start. A lone elephant walked in the forest looking for friends. She soon saw a monkey and proceeded to ask, "Can we be friends, monkey?" The monkey quickly replied, "You are too big and can't swing on trees like I do, so you can't be my friend." Defeated, the elephant continued to search when it stumbled across a rabbit. She proceeded to ask, "Can we be friends, rabbit?" The rabbit looked at the elephant and replied, "You are too big to fit inside my burrow. You cannot be my friend." Then the elephant continued to search until she met a frog. She proceeded to ask, "Can we be friends, frog?" The frog replied, "You are too big and heavy. You cannot jump like me, so you can't be my friend." The elephant continued to ask the animals she met on her way, but always received the same reply. The following day, the elephant saw all the forest animals run in fear. She stopped the bear to ask what was happening and was told the tiger was attacking all the small animals. The elephant wanted to save the other animals, so she went to the tiger and said, "Please, sir, leave my friends alone. Do not eat them." The tiger didn't listen. He merely told the elephant to mind her own business. Seeing no other way, the elephant kicked the tiger and scared him away. Upon hearing of the brave tale, the other animals agreed. "You are just the right size to be our friend." Moral of this story is friends come in every shape and size. Thank you.
Very good, Rudra. Thank you so much. and you all four were super amazing. As the tagline says, little steps to create a big difference. And you took your little step through this activity, and I'm proudly say, and I'm sure that you will surely stand out of the crowd and make a big difference. Clap for yourself. So thank you so much. You all four was amazing, and your story was very good.